My name is Manon. I'm a graphic designer and illustrator who is really passionate about bullet journaling. Since I started sharing my artwork online, some amazing opportunities have come my way. I even got to collaborate with brands such as Fits & Hugly, Arteza and Edding. On my Instagram, I like to share my creative journey of decorating every page of my journal. So in my creative process, the organizational part is very important. My mind can be a really busy place and my journal helps me keep it all in order. Each month is like a tiny little project. I am always excited to start a new theme with new illustrations and techniques and relax and just draw day by day. Planning my tasks and commitments also becomes lighter and more fun. It's like putting together all the pieces of a puzzle in one harmonious frame. In this Domestika course, we'll explore the basics of bullet journaling and combine watercolor and gouache. For the final project, we'll play with materials and themes and use that to create an illustrated journal. First, I'll explain to you how to create an efficient timetable and choose and organize your notebook. After warming up with some painting exercises, we will look for ideas and start sketching. The first page we'll draw is our cover page, then the monthly spread and of course the tracker pages and our weekly log. I will also give you some tips on using your journal to help with time management. Then finally we'll fix any remaining mistakes and share our work online. By the end of the course you'll be ready to face a new week with a clear plan and a creative spirit. You just need a notebook, some fine liners and a standard watercolor kit. Every day is a new beginning. Let's craft an inspiring bullet journal together.